Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Sudoku with 0 stars. In the additional, not in today's newspaper, on Monday, May the 22nd, 2023. No, it's the Saturday edition. Last weekend, May the 20th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. That's electronic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And this one, the Sudoku with 0 stars. Yeah, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the weekend edition. And this will be number 6475. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. 0 stars. Well, need to be faster than 50 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. We will know after I've solved this puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 3, yeah. Okay. We have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, no need to place left, for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 2 4 4. Let me see. 1 2 3 4 and 8, 3 4 and 8. Well, need a 5 here. I'm scanning. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Come on. 7 7. Need a 7 here. 7 there. 7 here. What's happening? 6 8. Need a 2 here. 8. Yeah, 8. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, so we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Here we need an 8 also. Here we need 8 also. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle, in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, first row. No 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in this column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the second column for the last 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. This box can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. Wait, 5, 5. Well. And then the one The 7 and the 9. 179. 9, 9, 9, 1, 7. Okay. Let me think. 2, 2, 7, 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 4 for 4. But the 9, 9. Here can be 9. 9 should be there. So the 9, yeah. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, alright. 5, 9. Come on. 3. Need a 2 here. Alright. Need a 7 here. 2, 7. Need a 1 also. And need a 5. Let me think. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. Yeah. So the 8, the 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 8, 2, and the 7. 8, 2, and the 7. Here can be 2. 2. 8 and 7. Come on. Where's the opening? 1, 9. 1. Here can be 7. Need a 9. And I need a 1. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. That means the 8 should be here. The 4, well, here can be 4. Here can be 4 because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in this column, and we have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this big square should be here. Yeah. 3, 4, 8. So the 8, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row. We have 8 in one of those 3 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column? No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1. Need a 7. Need a 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, and only 2 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. You see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing again. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 4. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 4 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finishing 14 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. It's in the flow, in the flow, in the flow. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 1 star, Cyber block in Dutch and in Japanese, Suguru. See you then. Bye bye for now.